Hi everyone, sorry. The package is, my camera cut out on me before, so I have opened this package. This is the woodland kit, the September kit from Leslie's Crafts. I will link Leslie's selling page below on Facebook, so you can go check her out. And her YouTube channel is Leslie Bromfield. Right, so let's get into this. Like I say, unfortunately I undid the ribbon and my camera cut out before, so let's move on from that now. So it comes lovely packaged, absolutely gorgeous, and there's a little note that Leslie includes, and it says, "Thank you for getting one of my kits, Leslie." There we go, so I'll take that from round it. Now these are the add-ons to the kit. So this is the first. These are the round coin add-ons, and they're gorgeous. They're made by Leslie, and the bag topper is gorgeous as well. These are a load, and you get a real good bunch of rosettes in here. Again, gorgeous bag topper. And this is the is it concubines, how you say it, the raised domes. I hope you can see it. So I've got black all over my fingers because I've been doing a lot of Halloween stuff. There, focus. They are gorgeous. You get 6 of those, and those are all add-ons. They're add-ons for the kit. This is the main kit that everybody receives, and this is £20 plus postage and packaging. If you order all at the same time, then you obviously only pay the one lot of postage and packaging. So like I said, it did cut off, so that's already, I've already cut that open. Right, so I'm just gonna get my scissors and just snip the tissue paper so we can get into the main kit. There we go. Right, the colours are absolutely stunning. They are beautiful. So vivid, absolutely vivid. It's a very dull day here, so you can see just how vivid the colours are. Right, so this is what you get in your kit. Here's the kit. Look at that. So in here, let's have a look what we've got in here. So this is a laminated pocket that Leslie's made. And it says pinecone pickings. So let's open this and see what's in here. Look at that. That's the die set that you get with this kit. And you get a hedgehog, a mouse, a snail, and you get a leaf with it as well. That's an absolutely lovely die. Well, it's a die set, really. That's gorgeous. I can't wait to make up with that. Absolutely gorgeous. And it comes in this handy little pocket as well for you to keep it stored away in. I'm doing this with one hand, remember, people, so I'll put that back after. Right, so on to the next thing. So the next is you get your samples of washi tape. Can't understand why that's not focusing, but you get your washi tape on there. There we go, it's focusing now. Lovely, lovely woodland washi tape. Then you get your ribbons, and this month we have the orange, the yellow and sequin trim as well. That's gorgeous. This says Bear Hugs, and if you can see with the window, if you shake it, that's lovely. That's how she's packaged your sequin mix up this month. That's absolutely gorgeous. You get loads of sequins, as you can see. Absolutely loads. That's a gorgeous sequin mix. Lovely. Then you get your 10 tags, which are in here. Oh, look at that, barely. Oh, and the card bag topper. Then you get absolutely loads and loads of ephemera in this pack. Just look at that. It is packed full of ephemera. That's one thing with these kits, is you always have loads of ephemera left over afterwards. Lots and lots of it. Look how beautiful are those. They are absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love them. This is a set of embellishments that's also included. So you get feathers, washi tape feathers made up. And these, you get quite a few of the circles as well. So the flowers. So all that you do is you construct the flowers yourself. So that's feathers and flowers to go on your project. As always, you get your 5 cards and envelopes. Look at that topper. Oh. So you get your 5 cards and envelopes, and it's cream card bases this month. We'll go on to the papers last. And look at this. Look at the wax seal. And that can be used on something else. That's fantastic, that is. Bluebells bloom. You get 2 sets of words. So you get 2 printouts of these. And they're in lines, so they're easier to cut, which is fantastic. There we go. And how she's done the letters for this month, as she's done it with a distressed look font. So it isn't that the printer's playing up, it's supposed to be like that. It is a distressed font, which looks fantastic and is really in keeping with the kit. And here you get your 10 6x6 papers. Oh, look at that raccoon. Isn't he cute? Right, so let's go through the papers and see what papers you get this month. Just do that. Let's have a look. You get spotty dotties. Look at those. Colours are so rich in this kit. You get checks. It's not showing up actually on camera as rich as it is in front of me. It's showing up a bit lighter. They really are deep and rich, these colours. Stripes again. Gorgeous. The checkered effects, which I absolutely love. Gorgeous. Stripes and dots. Chevrons. This is a pattern. I don't know what you'd call the pattern. It's a pattern. This is honeycomb. Absolutely love, 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 love this. And it is actually a richer colour than what it's showing. It's showing it quite pale, but it isn't. It's very rich. And this is my 10th, isn't it? And this is a striped. Nice, nice stripe. So there's your 10 papers. So that's what you get in your woodland kit for this month. You get 10 6x6 papers. You get 2 sheets of words. You get 5 cream card bases and 5 envelopes, white envelopes. You get washi tape feathers with flowers all ready for you to roll and assemble. You get your 10 tags. You get your sequin mix. You get your ribbon and trim. You get your washi tape. And you get that awesome die. Look at that. Hedgehog, mouse, snail, and a leaf on there. That's an awesome die. Absolutely love that die. And you get your ephemera pack. I'm just going to open this before I go off, just so you get a better idea of actually what you're getting in the ephemera pack. So if I just fold that over so I can empty it out. Again, I apologise, I'm doing this with one hand. Let's see if we can get all the pieces out. Oh, there's a leaf that's stuck in there. Look at all this goodness. Absolutely stunning. You get loads and loads of woodland ephemera in this kit. Well, you get loads of ephemera in any of the kit. In fact, I'm pretty sure, like I've said before, you can just order the ephemera kit if you really don't want the rest of the card kit. You can order the ephemera packs, and they are well worth the money. They are just lovely, absolutely lovely. There's too many pieces to show you one by one, absolutely too many. They're absolutely gorgeous. Wow, look at a deer. A couple of deers there. Look at them. And your owls as well. Lovely, lovely, lovely autumnal colours, and all ready for the autumn. More feathers, raccoon, wigwams, loads of wigwams, loads of different wigwams, loads of feathers. Look at that. Oh, how cute's that? Absolutely loads. I'm so made up with this kit. It is a beautiful, beautiful kit. And the time that's gone on to into this, because not only does she put the kits together, but she hand makes the embellishments and puts them together. Like, these are the add-ons, you know, and she makes them up herself. Those are the rosettes. I mean, look at those. I think I saw somebody selling a kit not so long ago. I think it was a Halloween kit. And the quality of the rosettes that she made were not that good. I wouldn't have been... It may be a cheaper kit, but the quality isn't there, to be fair. Whereas with Leslie's, you know that you're getting quality, and you do know you're getting quality with Leslie's. It's not a cheap, you know, like this person that I saw that did this Halloween kit. It was cheaper, but she certainly didn't know how to put embellishments together, put it that way. Whereas these are absolutely beautiful embellishments, absolutely. And she does all the bag toppers herself as well. It's not just all thrown in a cello bag with a topper in. Everything is separately bagged and topped. But as they say, it's true, you get what you pay for, and you do get what you pay for with these kits. So that's from Leslie Crafts, and I'll link her page below, and it's Leslie Bromfield on YouTube. Go check her out, ladies. She's fantastic, and she does monthly card kits. And thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.